out today at a relatives of mine, and this is an old place. I'm not sure what might be here, but I think there was probably a couple buildings on this property. So I'm gonna detect around, see what I can find. It was 21 degrees this morning, so it's supposed to be up in the 40s here. So hopefully it stays nice and sunny. I'm in the sun today. So, all right. If like always, find something good, I'll get you on the first hole. All right. Give me a big thumbs up. See you on the next one. All right. I been digging down here and I found some glass, some pottery. So here's some more glass. There's a lot more stuff down in this hole. So I think I'm on a dump site right now. Got a 30, 31, and been digging. Heck of a hole there. I don't know if you can see down there. Been digging down pretty deep. So all right, I'm gonna cover this back up and mark it. All right, see you on the next one. Had a 20. Oh, look at there. All right, that's it. I like finding those. There it is. Monica Reed. All right, I'm on a home site, that's for sure. All right. Yay! Give me a thumbs up on that one. I've been walking and walking and walking, and I just found this. So, all right, keep on digging. All right, this was ringing up. Blew the camera off there. This was ringing up a 33. It's in a bunch of old dirt, but there it is. Old buckle. I can't even move that thing. Look at it. All right, that's cool. Keep digging. All right, I got a 27, 26, 27. Pretty good signal. So I thought I'd do a hole dig. Okay, I still got it in the hole. Hole. I'm in some slate there, as you see. So I don't know if it's below this layer of slate or in the slate. Some heavy rock in it. I don't know about that. I don't got it anymore. All right, there we go. Got another buckle. That's my second buckle today. So today's a buckle day, a buckle good lucky day. All right, not sure how old that is, but hey, it's not a nail. So all right, keep digging. All right, I got a 25. Got a 25, 26. Repeatable. So let's see what we can get. I've been finding buckles, so maybe I'll get another buckle here today. It's like a buckle day. Oh, there's something. What the heck's that? Some kind of... Alright, let's see. Yep, that's it. Alright, that's some kind of piece of leather with a rivet on it. I don't normally find leather, so that's... I mean, it's gonna fall apart by the time I'm done, but that, it's pretty cool. It looks like there... Is there a... Looks like there might be... thought maybe I saw a star there, but definitely copper. Definitely copper of some sort. Copper rivet. Alright, keep digging. Got some roots. We'll got a big old root, I think. Alright. Let's see, is that a big root? Yep. Got a big old root here. Alright, well that's a... Well, maybe I got it out. Well, that'll always ring up good. Look at that. It's a little ring. Not sure what that is, but that'll definitely ring up good. It's heavy. All right, keep digging. All right, got done today, and there's my junk. Got some pottery. This thing's fishing lure. Got some just junk, caps. So this is the good finds. So I got 2 buckles, a Monica reed. I'm not sure what this is, but it's definitely old. It's I think it's copper. Thought it had a star on it, and then a nice ring. So, all right, not a bad hunt. Looking forward to doing some more here at this place. And all right, I will see you on another hunt. Always thanks, subscribe and like, hit that bell and that'll notify you when I post another video. So, all right, see you on the next one.